Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 if it crashes on startup or closes at the splash screen. First, if you are using MSI Afterburner, completely close it. Even though it is a useful tool for monitoring your GPU and changing fan speeds, it can sometimes interfere with newer games during startup. If you have RGB lighting software running for your keyboard, mouse, motherboard, or other devices, close that as well. Some RGB management programs continue running in the background and may cause game startup issues. Also, close any unnecessary monitoring, recording, streaming, or performance tools that are running in the background. This includes screen recorders, hardware monitors, and similar utilities that you do not need while playing. Finally, disable any in-game overlays. If you use Discord, turn off the Discord overlay or close the app if you are not using it. If you launch the game through Steam, disable the Steam overlay for the game. Go to your Steam library and right-click your game. Select Properties from the list. In the General tab, look for an option called Enable the Steam Overlay while in-game and turn it off. Also turn off the Xbox Game Bar overlay in Windows settings if it is enabled. Thanks for watching.